Wait a second. Oh, now I'm going to be reading, God, the Harry Potter series again. No, what is it about?
Excuse me. Hold your horses.
Hello and namaste. I'm Meera and I'm 10 years old. I love reading books a lot and my favorite genres are reading, science fiction, fantasy and horror. And I do like comics too. So today I'm going to show you my April TBR, September TBR and
Guys, she is mentally in April. She wants to enjoy her summer holidays, na Hira?
yes. So I'm going to be rereading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books I'm going to be rereading, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 books I'm going to reading that I have already not read. So the first book I'm rereading is The Little Princess. So I already read this in I think so 2024, but I forgot half of it. I just remember that there's this girl and her father dies and she's in an orphanage right now and she needs to stay in a cellar. So I don't remember much about this, but yeah, I do think that's what this book is about. So the second book is My Neighbor Totoro. So backstory, I actually love Studio Ghibli. So I do have an online school and over there they teach many different languages, and I chose Japanese because I love Studio Ghibli and I wanted to understand Japanese at that time. So I like Japanese. I do know Japanese. So back to the video. So I'm going to be reading My Neighbor Totoro. I've seen the movie already. Actually, I did not know that Studio Ghibli books are movie books. Wait, Studio Ghibli movies are books. So yeah, I have My Neighbor Totoro. I think it's an illustrated version. No, it just has these icons over here, and yeah. So the next book is A Diary of a Young Girl. I have already started reading this. I think on I'm on Friday 21 August 1942. So I do like this book so far, and it's not making me cry to this point at least. But yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about this book and I'm really excited for this one. So the next book is A Single Shard. I really don't know what this book is about, but I like the cover, so I just picked it up from Amazon. My mom ordered it for me. Next book is Agatha Audley, Murder at the Museum. So I have read the first book in the trilogy and I don't want to give spoilers, okay? I'm not going to tell you what is the story about. I don't know what is this one about, but Murder in the Museum is very fun to me because I love thrillers too. Second or third book, I don't know, I don't know the order of the series, but I think so the third book in the Agatha Audley series. So the third book is Agatha Audley and the Silver Serpent. So let me just give an intro of Agatha. So Agatha's mom passed away, I think, when she was young. She lives with her father. Her father is a gardener and she loves mystery. And I forgot the name of her best friend, but yeah, she has a best friend and they have a little detective company. So I don't know much about the character. I do have the first book over there, but I forgot I have read it only half, so I'll add that somewhere over here. Okay. Yeah, so Agatha is 11 years old and she has just moved to a new place a year or two ago. And yeah, I don't know much about Agatha because on the first book I'm just on a chapter 11, okay? So now the next book, I'm going to be reading the Harry Potter series again. This is just the last book because the full series, I will break my hand in the process of picking up the whole book.
Let me just change the camera angle. Can you see all those books?
two more are there, but I read two, the first part and the second part already. So I'm going to be reading the Harry Potter series for the 9th or 11th time, I think.
Decide.
Yeah, 12th time. So yeah, I actually like the Harry Potter series. I have been watching the movies since I think so, 2. What? Okay, I have watched for the first time. I've seen the Harry Potter movies when I was 2. So I am currently rereading the third book right now. Wait. Yeah, the third book. I'm reading the third book. So Harry Potter is about this 11-year-old boy, and he is an orphan. Like, he stays with his aunt and uncle and his cousin, not like there's only one brother cousin. So like he doesn't know he's a wizard, and like he just, like, this friend of his, I'll not say the name, just comes and says, "Hello Harry, you are a wizard." So of course he'll get shocked, like you will also get shocked of course if you're told you are a wizard. So yeah, back to the topic. So like he does not know that he's a wizard before, of course. So like he makes 3 friends, Hermione, Ron and Hagrid. So like I'll just tell you like the Harry Potter series, like all about it. So like Harry has this sworn enemy, like the villain of this book, and like he's trying to fight the villain in this book with his friends, like the 3 friends he has. And yeah, I think that's all it's about. Like, you need to read the book to like get to know about it. Okay, I'm not going to spoil the book for you. I'm not a spoiler. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. So I hope you like this video. This is like my second video, so thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.